Connecting Klarna to Apple Wallet is very easy. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. To connect Klarna to Apple Wallet, all you have to do is open up the Klarna app. Once you get into its app, tap on the wallet option from the bottom bar. Then tap to add payment cards in here. Now you will find the in-store digital card option in here. Tap on it. Then you have to choose a store here, so search for Apple. Then tap on the Apple Store option. Scroll down to see its details and tap to create a digital card. Once it is done, load your Apple Wallet or card details. Then tap to connect your Klarna account to the Apple Wallet. Klarna had not directly integrated with Apple Wallet. However, the process of connecting or adding a payment method to your Apple Wallet generally involves adding a supported credit or debit card. If Klarna has added support for Apple Wallet integration, the process may have changed since then.